Hello and welcome to our Agents of Erosion presentation. In this slide, we're going to talk about water erosion. In this example of water erosion are these channels. These channels were created by water which has sediment in it. The sediment slowly eat away the dirt and rock and carves their channels and put them into this lake.
In this photo, the waves are eroding this rock by carrying sediment which grinds up against the rock, which causes it to erode.
This is an example of wind. This was once a boulder, and it's now a mushroom-shaped rock by the wind causing the sediment in the wind to blow against the rock. But it can only go so far up, so that's why on the lower part of the mushroom rock it's so small, and on the top it's so big.
In this photo, the wind has sediment in it that blows away pieces of rock until it is nothing but small sand particles.
In this slide is ice erosion. After years and years, this glacier has been carrying this boulder. And since the glacier has melted, this boulder is now sitting on top of this hill.
This is also another example of ice erosion. So water goes into cracks right here in the rock and it freezes overnight. So when the water freezes, it expands and then it becomes bigger until parts of the rock break off and crack and create the pillars called hoodoos.
In this slide, we're going to be talking about gravity erosion. A landslide caused erosion because when rocks fell on the top of this hill and the soil falls and crashes to the ground, it rubs against the mountain or rock or whatever it is on and causes erosion. This is another example of gravity erosion. Rocks like these sometimes usually fall off the top of a hill, which make more rocks fall with it and make a giant rock slide, and then they fall into this path and make a giant boulder path that can't be blocked. Thank you for watching this presentation about the Agents of Erosion.